Za konec današnje oddaje pa smo prihranili eno najučinkovitejših holističnih zdravljenj, tako za ohranjanje dobrega zdravja, kot zdravja najrazličnejših zdravstvenih težav. To je sistem za hipersvetlobno terapijo Bioptron s 7 barvnimi filtri.
Do you suffer from pain, wounds, skin disorders, depression, impotence, nervousness, insomnia, migraine, heart palpitations, or some other health issues? If your answer is yes, we recommend a medically certified, no drug intake, natural solution. The most efficient holistic treatment to maintain your health or to heal various health problems is Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system with color band pass filters. Bioptron is a patented, scientifically proven medical device that offers an effective, safe and economical treatments without side effects. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system incorporates 7 specially designed color band pass filters with different wavelengths and energy amounts for optimal effect. Bioptron color filters generate specific electrical impulses and magnetic currents which are prime activators of the biochemical, neurological and hormonal processes in the human body. Different wavelengths penetrate the skin at different depths, activating and balancing stagnated energies within the body, therefore stimulating the body's regenerative processes and healing. 1. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system red filter. Red light keeps the healthy bones and muscles of astronauts at zero gravity, NASA. Red light activates an analgesic system and it is recommended as a natural pain suppressant. Red successfully treats arthritis, arthrosis, and circulatory disorders, Raynaud's disease, winter hands and toes. Bioptron red band pass filter stimulates, energizes and improves your vitality. 2. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system orange filter. According to famous Dr. Peter Mandel, orange light is recommended to treat hormonal imbalances. It fortifies the sexual hormonal system and regulates reproductive gland hormone secretion, testes in men and ovaries in women. Orange improves vasodilatation and it has aphrodisiac properties, enhancing sexual functions. Correspondingly, it balances the urogenital system and heals kidney ailments. 3. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system yellow filter. Bioptron yellow stands for balancing the digestive system. It restores the energies in the intestines, liver, gallbladder, pancreas and spleen. Yellow relieves gas and soothes irritable bowels. It acts as a lymphatic stimulant and detoxifier, cleansing the liver and intestines. 4. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system green filter. Green color is called the master of chromotherapy. Because it activates an endocrine gland thymus, it strengthens your immune system. It maintains a dynamic balance between physical and mental energy. Green light loosens tensions, and has an anti-stress effect, providing deep inner peace. Dr. Sergei Gulya, professor from Bogomolets Institute of Physiology, National Academy of Sciences, recommends Bioptron green light for glaucoma prevention and post-operative treatment of glaucoma. 5. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system blue filter. Blue light is a highly recommended for jaundice treatment in newborns, because it is breaking down bilirubin into substances that are easily eliminated. Bluish also recommended for circadian rhythm regulation. Specific blue wavelength enters the brain through the eyes and stimulates sensory cells, photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, IPRGCs, signaling the body to wake up by suppressing the level of melatonin. As a result, the mood is improved, the person has more energy throughout the day and sleeps better at night. Blue-and dermatology can cure ulcers, warts, herpes, fungus, psoriasis, acne vulgaris, rosacea, because it decreases inflammatory cytokine IL-1 alpha production. Bioptron Blue has antibacterial properties. Such light can eliminate acne. After 2 months of Bioptron Hyperlite therapy blue exposure, the skin is restored and rejuvenated. Because of its antibacterial properties, Bioptron Blue is successfully in use in dentistry. Studies performed by Bioptron Dental Clinical have shown that blue light applied into the oral cavity for 10 minutes during 5 consecutive days significantly reduces plaque formation and stimulates the proliferation of fibroblasts for the formation of collagen, therefore promoting faster healing. 6. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system Indigo filter. Indigo is a cold color and it can be used in all conditions involving heat in the body, inflammations. It has a relaxing effect on the mind and body, and it is recommended as an additional treatment for sinusitis because it acts as an astringent. It shrinks tissues and dries up nose secretion, therefore relieving sinus congestion. 7. Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system violet filter. Violet is a cooler color that has a soothing and calming effect. It balances pineal gland, hypothalamus, cerebral cortex and pituitary gland function. Violet helps soothe the central nervous system and mental functions, and it assists in recovery from nervous breakdowns. Take a shower every day with Bioptron Hyperlite therapy system with colors band pass filters is a daily dose of good health. Stay colorful, cheerful and healthy.